I met Sonia through a number of ways, all at the same time. We're both members of the Resident Association of Greater Englewood, part of the core leadership team of this group of residents striving to make change from the bottom up. I also work with her very closely as an organizer at Teamwork Englewood, her organization Growing Home. She has this uncanny ability to draw people together on whatever initiative she's working on.
We have a wonderful residents association called the Resident Association of Greater Englewood. They work on a number of issues as it relates to residents really taking on their assets and doing what they can to make positive changes in the community.
Sonia is part of the emerging generation of leadership in the neighborhood. She is actively attentive to the teenagers that were coming up behind her. And so she's working with Imagining What If on things ranging from media literacy, creating their own newsletter and news stories, to registering people to vote.
Englewood Votes takes on voter registration and civic engagement in Englewood, but more importantly, educating residents on those issues that are most important to us. Grow Greater Englewood is another community coalition. It is comprised of growers, of community-based organizations, community development corporations, developers, all those who want to help to create a healthy and resilient food system and economy in this community.
Her heart is in Englewood. It's not just the neighborhood where she grew up, it's the neighborhood where she's raising her family. And that's the kind of leadership that we need in the neighborhood.
It's so easy for us to live in silos and for us to think that, you know, our great charity, our great organization is making so much of a difference, and we are. But I think that it's important that we sometimes hold hands and join in together because we're able to reach a lot more people that way. I kind of think that we are at the ground floor of something new and something wonderful happening in the community, and it's our job to get residents ready in whatever way that looks like. I envision a place where we are proud of who we are, where we're proud to be Englewood residents, where we're proud to be Southside residents, and where we're proud to be Chicago residents.